Welcome. If you want to change lock method in your Xiaomi Redmi 8A, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now tap on the lock screen, scroll down, enter the passwords and the security, and click on the password. Right now we can select the pattern, pin and the password, so we have to select your lock method. I'm going for the pattern, read the description, and then click on the Got It button. Draw your pattern, draw it one more time and click on the confirm. Right now we can check how our new lock method works. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.